Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learning Guru. We are an immigration consultancy that helps you achieve your dreams of studying in abroad. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Today we are going to learn how to book PTE exam. PTE stands for Pearson Test of English, which is a computer-based English test that assesses your academic level speaking, writing, reading, and listening skills. All the steps will be mentioned and explained, so make sure that you watch the entire video to avoid missing out the informations. It is super easy to book a PTE exam, and the things that you will require are a stable internet connection, a valid passport, and card for making the payment. PTE accepts MasterCard, Visa credit card, and American Express. Make sure you keep all of them in handy. You can start with writing PTE or PTE exam on Google and select the very first link which says Pearson PTE. You will be redirected to a web page which will look like this. On the top right corner, you will see a button which says Book a Test. You can move ahead by clicking it. Once you do that, firstly, you will be required to select a country of destination. If you haven't decided on the country or are not sure which option to select, you can move ahead by clicking the I'm not sure yet option. Now you will be required to select the reason as to why you are appearing for this exam. Next up, you have to select the check availability and book option. Now you will be redirected to this page, which will allow you to search for the PTE examination centers by location, which will help you to book an exam at the center closest to your place. PTE has examination centers all around the country. As an example, here we are searching for centers in Delhi. Now a list of centers will drop down and you can check for the availability according to your preference. You can check and select the date and time of the exam according to your convenience. Now you will be required to log in with the My PTE account. If you already have an account, you can log in with your username and password. If you are a new user, you can start by signing up. You will see a web page that looks like this. Select the test takers option. Now select Add test taker. Now you will be required to fill up some basic details for your account creation. Click on the Create Account button and now your account is created. Now select the PTE Academic option and click on the Book Test button. Now you will be required to fill up these few details. Don't forget to tick the check boxes and then click Next. Now, a PTE policies guideline will pop up on your screen. Make sure that you read and understand it once before clicking the Agree button. You will be required to cross-check the details of the examination center, date, and time. Once you do so, click on the Book button. All the information regarding your selected test will appear on the screen along with the billing details. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button to move to the payment options. Now you will be required to select your payment type and a drop-down list will appear asking you to fill in your card details to make the payment. Click on the Next button and wait for your transaction to get completed. Now your test is booked and you will receive the details of the test, guidelines, and invoice through mail. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.